Dear student, now I want to demonstrate a complex way to use loops. We call it nested loops. Nested loop means that there is a loop layer inside another loop layer. Okay, and our example here is to have a very simple application that you already know what it is. We have a 10 rows times 10 column matrix prints here. Okay, 10 rows times 10 columns, and say let's pick this row, and in this row you can see that all are 4 multiples, right? They are all 4 multiples, and the row before it are all 3 multiples. The row after it 5 multiples. So how can we construct this? Okay, it's not difficult at all. Now we go to coding, and before we have the coding, let's just see the results here. So this is any result. So in any result, how can we print, say, for example, this line, right? So basically, to print this line, what we need is one loop, right? One loop. So let's say I want to print out this loop, this line, okay, using one loop. So I will call it, each element here is a column. It's a column element, okay? So for I is column equal to 0, so 1, okay, loop from column to 10 and column plus plus, okay? So that means that I will loop from 1 to 10, okay, and in the looping body I will print out a number with column times 4, right? Oh, I missed out the curly braces. Curly braces is very important, okay? So by looking at the code, you already know that the iteration number 1, I will print out 1 times 4, then 2 times 4, 3 times 4, up to 10 times 4. So let's have the results. Oops, I forgot to save it. Good. Okay, so I have a 4, 8, 12 up to 40, but the outlook is locked, right? Where's the new line? So new line is missing, huh? Good. And the back. So after the loop, I will print out a new line. So after the loop, I print out a new line. So far, so cool. Now, what's next? How to print out, say, the 5 multiples? Okay, very simple, huh? Do a copy and paste. Okay, change the 4 into 5. See, I have 2 rows now. How about I add another layer? This time is 3. Right, 3, 4, 5 multiples. So far so cool. Well, it's not so cool, right? If I really want to print out 10 rows, as you can see in this output, 10 rows, I have to do a copy and paste 10 times, which is not genius, right? It's not a good program. So how to make it good? Basically, I want to use another loop to repeat what I do here. I want to have a loop repeat this structure. Basically, it's this. So to use a loop to repeat this structure, I will say that I will add another loop layer to include this layer. Okay, so you guys will be included by another for loop. Okay, to repeat printing different multiples. So it's not hardcode to be free now. I will say I want to control different rows. So I will call it is a row by columns multiplication, and the row start with 1, and the row I want to repeat 10 times from a 1 to 10, and row plus plus. Okay, so what will be the results? Make, run, ta-da! Immediately I repeat what I've did, okay, compared to the previous edition. Now, what's previous edition? Okay, it's like this. I need to repeat so many times, so repeat the structure for 10 times. Why not we use a loop to enclose it? Yeah, here's the loop, and the loop will close the structure to make our code short, beautiful, and easy to debug. This is nested loop structure. Okay, thank you very much.